Go. So, hello everybody. We're gonna do this show. So, done with Steffi, I wanted to sing this for you, and this is the question.
Well, we haven't gotten there yet. We haven't gotten there yet. First, you're listening to the
Layla
and Dada show. That was good.
And a question, but...
Well, do you want to play their we got a question. I mean, somebody submitted a message, and who was it who sent us a message?
You guys. Dada and Steffi.
Dada and Steffi sent you a message. Do you want to... Should we play that? And then you can answer it?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Ready?
Hey Layla, this is the Dada and
Steffi
question. And my question to you is, what do you want to do or where do you want to go when we can be together again? And if you could send us an answer, we'd really appreciate it. We love you. Bye.
Bye.
I want dance, play tap dance, and ballet. Ballet is first because I love ballet. And tap dance.
You want to do that with Dada and Steffi?
Yeah, in the yellow room. I call it the gym. So it's easier to say.
What yellow room? Where are you talking about?
I mean, downstairs. In the attic.
In the basement? At Mimi and Zeta's house?
Yeah. I'm going to tap dance down there so I don't hold the other floor in the room.
Oh.
I'll bring my slippers.
So that means Dada and Steffi need tap shoes.
They can get that, but they can have their slippers too.
Maybe Steffi can fit into your tap shoes.
Can she?
No, probably not.
Maybe she can have just something that has a loud noise and she can put on.
Oh, maybe.
Like her slippers or her heels that she has.
What else do you want to talk about?
Let's make a story again.
Okay. Can I start this one? Once there was a boy whose name was...
Weidel.
Ryder? Oh, you have a friend named Ryder.
Weidel?
Mm-hmm. You haven't seen him. He doesn't live here. He lives in Arizona. Shout out to Katie and Tyler.
So they're sisters and brothers.
Oh, okay.
And the mom and dad was with them. And one name was Marco. It's the dad.
Does Marco make pizza?
No, that's not the pizza Marco.
Oh, okay.
Just a dad named Marco.
Okay.
And Quincy for the girls.
Princey?
Yeah, Quincy.
And they had 2 horses. One of the horses was a white horse.
And the other one was Rainbow Sparkles.
Yeah, you're right. And you know who rode Rainbow Sparkles? Ryder. You know who rode the white one? Katie.
No, I like the rainbow one for Katie.
Oh, okay. So Katie's on the Rainbow Sparkle.
She's a girl.
Okay. So Katie's on the Rainbow Sparkle horse. Ryder is on the white horse. Okay.
Blue and white. So
Blue and white.
So it's different colors and it's prettier.
Kind of like the Israel flag.
It's
Blue and
handsome and pretty. Because you like handsome.
I do like handsome.
And you are handsome.
Oh, thanks, baby. You're beautiful.
So...
They went riding through the enchanted forest.
And the forest had gems on the tree.
Wow. And every time the moon would hit one of those gems, the trees would glow.
And glow into the sky.
And then a big bad wolf walked into the road. And Katie and Ryder had to stop. They had to stop where they were.
And they needed to run to their house and slam the door closed and lock it.
But then Ryder remembered he had magic powers.
And Katie did.
But what were their magic powers?
They were warm ice for the boy and cold ice for the girl.
Ooh, and together, what happens if you combine the warm ice and the cold ice?
It goes to both.
Goes to both? Warm and cold?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So the wolf freezes, and then they dumped really hot water on there, and the wolf was dead. So it's better.
Got rid of the wolf, and now Ryder and Katie can get back on their horses, the white and blue horse and the rainbow sparkle horse, and they can keep going through the enchanted forest.
Then they saw a lost dog.
Oh no, what was the lost dog's name?
It's a puppy, and the puppy was lost.
What was its name? Ruff?
No. They needed to name it.
I know. It was Barkley. Barkley. Woof. Like Barkley.
Buckley. How about
Barkley?
Sparkles?
But the horse is already Rainbow Sparkles.
No, just Sparkles.
Oh, so the dog's name is Sparkles. Okay. So the dog Sparkles is a tiny little puppy.
Katie named that.
Of course, Katie named the dog Sparkles. So they found this random dog that was lost in the middle of the enchanted forest, and they picked it up. They picked Sparkles up.
Yeah.
Katie said, "I'm going to call you Sparkles."
And Katie picked it up and brought it to the house because they couldn't find the owner. They were going all around their block and they couldn't find the owner. So they took it back to home when they got to the end to home. So they took her back home and they
adopted the dog.
Yep, because they couldn't find an owner, so they adopted.
Adopted, yeah. And they lived happily ever after.
The end.
The end. That was a good story. So maybe tomorrow somebody else will leave us a message, and you can, or leave you a message. They're not leaving me a message. They're leaving you a message.
Yeah, because they love me better.
Yeah, right. And you'll be able to answer it on tomorrow's episode. Mm-hmm. So, with that, thank you to Dubba and Steffi, right, for asking you a question.
Mm-hmm. I love you, Dubba and Steffi.
And you have been listening to the
Layla
and Dada
Show. Bye-bye. Love you.